In this video, we're going to look at using merge fields. Merging contact information into an automated communication can be an extremely powerful tool to create a relevant personal experience for the recipient. It can also ruin the customer experience if not properly implemented. As a tool itself, it thrives on context, and so merge fields always need to be used strategically. While this recipe specifically covers how to insert a merge field into an email, the concept extends to any object with merging capabilities, such as tasks, letters, and so on. In this video, we're going to take a look at adding contact merges and adding other types of merges. Place your cursor where you want to insert some information. For example, if we're looking at the subject line, we would place our cursor here and then click on the Merge menu to open the tool palette. Click on the Merge field category containing the field we want to insert, and then click on the name of the merge field we want to insert. This will insert a variable that looks like this. The process is similar if we're editing text in a text block. Place your cursor where you want the information to go, open the Merge menu, select the category you want, and the piece of data that you want to insert. Before Infusionsoft sends the email, it will replace any of these merge field codes with the appropriate data. For example, contact first name becomes Bob or Joe or Mary. This all depends on the contact record that caused the email to be sent. There are more merge types available than just basic contact information. We can merge information from the user managing the relationship, the owner of the contact record. We can also merge in company information, referral partner information, as well as date information, such as the day of the week. If you have set up any campaign merge fields, these will show up at the bottom of this menu. In the next video, we're going to look at using campaign merge fields.